English, Standard 4th. Hello students, I am Elspeth Sibi and today we are going to learn one interesting lesson in English.
Before starting with the lesson, I would like to ask few questions. So students, have you received any gift or gifts this year? Make a list of what you have received. There are lots of occasions like Diwali, Gudi Padwa, etc. And don't forget your birthday. And you get so many gifts, right? Have you made a list of your gifts? What you have got from whom? So student, my question was, have you received any gifts or gifts this year? Make a list of what you have received. Many students are not blessed with any gifts, but few of them are blessed with many of them. So let us see what I have received. Answer. Yes, I received many gifts this year. I got a cycle and shoes. Students, every students have a different list of gifts. Here I have only written few. So students, let us see the next question. List down the occasions. Occasion means a particular event or the time at which it takes place. Which when a bouquet is given. Bouquet means an arranged bunch of flowers, especially one presented as a gift or carried at an event. Event can be either sports day, annual day, etc. Is given to someone. So students, let us see the answer. My question was, list down the occasions when a bouquet is given to someone. We give a bouquet when someone is getting married or for someone's birthday or to welcome and greet guests. Greet means to welcome the guest during functions.
A farewell to the teacher. Students, every year you come to the new class and you miss your teacher of previous year. Here, the students are arranging some program for their best and favorite teacher. Let's read the chapter and enjoy the farewell of the teacher.
So student, who is this girl? Let us see her name. Yogita. Her name is Yogita. Let's see what she's saying to us. A respected teacher, Mrs. Sastri, and all my friends belong to class 4th B. As you know well. So, she's beginning the speech by respecting us teacher and the friends of 4th B. Let's see what she's saying us. So student, what Yogita is saying to us? We have arranged. Arrange means put things in a neat, attractive or required order. This short function. What is the function? A farewell to the teacher. And who is the teacher? Sastri. Today to say goodbye to a favorite. Favorite means a person or thing that is preferred to all others of same kind or is especially well liked. Teacher. So she has arranged a beautiful function for the class 4th B and for the teacher. Let's see what is that function. What are all the functions she has arranged? First of all, I request Madhu to say a few words about her. So, Yogita is calling to her friend Madhu to say a few words about her favorite teacher, that is Mrs. Sastri. Let us see what Madhu says for a teacher. What she want to say a few words. So student, who is this girl? Yes, she is Madhu. And let's see what Madhu want to say to the class. Our favorite teacher, Mrs. Sastri. And friends, I'm really going to limit my speech to a few words. So she's saying that she will say a few words so that others don't feel bored. You know that when a speech extends to a time, you feel boring. And when it is short, you like it very much. So let us see a speech of Madhu. 4 years ago, I never dreamed. Dream means experience dreams during sleep. That I would be able to make a speech in English. So she's saying that she never hoped to write a single word in English. It's because of the teacher who she has reached to 4th standard. You know that your teacher does a lot of sacrifice for you. She wants all the students in equal level. And if any student is not good in studies, she really helps that student to come in good level. So let's see what she says more. It is only because of Mrs. Sastri that I am able to do so today. She's a great teacher and we have enjoyed every minute of our class. Yes, you know that the lecture of the class is very interesting. Some teachers teach in a playful manner and you enjoy the class a lot. She gives lots of activity, homework, and you enjoy every minute of the class. Next year, she will not be with us because we are all going to new class. But we will always remember her. Students, whenever you go to new class, you get a new class teacher. So, Madhu is saying that she is going to miss the class teacher a lot. But she is going to remember her. And the class is also missing Mrs. Sastri because she was very good enough. And I'm sure she'll be kind enough to remember us too. She has said that we can go and see her at her home whenever we feel like. But we will miss her next year. You know that 1 year your class teacher is with you and you love your class teacher a lot. So, your Madhu says, Mrs. Sastri has told that she can visit her home whenever we miss her. Yogita, as a token of her love and respect, Shubha, Shubha is one of the students of Standard 4th B, will offer her a bouquet of flower. Students, I already told you the meaning of bouquet and a gift. Madam, we have prepared the bouquet and the gift ourselves. Such a lovely students they are. They have prepared for the teacher with their hands a bouquet and a gift. Students, you can see my image. Such a big gift and such a lovely bouquet it is. And who is going to offer this? Shubha. Let's see further.
It may not look too good, but we know you will understand our feelings. May I request you now, madam, to say a few words? Your Madhu is saying to the class teacher to speak a few words and how she felt when the students gave her the bouquet of flowers and the gift.
Mrs. Sastri, girls and boys, I am really overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means cause to feel sudden, strong emotion. I'm sorry to part with you, of course, but I'm really proud of you. So, you know that the entire year the teacher was with the student. Of course, the teacher also has the pain to leave the students. And the teacher is always, you know that the teacher is always proud of the students, whoever at class. She like all the students in the class. Even she feels bad to be away from the student next year. You have given me the best reward. Reward means a reward is something given as done in a written for good received. A teacher can ask for the confidence. Confidence means the feeling or belief that one can have faith in or rely on someone or something with which you conducted. Conducted means organized and performed a particular activity. This program means arrange an event according to plan or schedule, was really amazing. Amazing means very impressive, excellent. So students, the teacher is saying that you have given me the gift, the bouquet. I feel very nice. It's really very amazing. And the program was very nice. And she is appreciating the students for the best program. You have done equally well in all the other activities. Activities means a thing that a person or group does or has done throughout the year. Students, in the classroom, you have so many activities and you love, right? All the activities, all the competition, you miss them all. And you know that the teacher tries to give you good marks. She wants all the students to come in a good level. All students are equal for her. If any student is not good in any activities, the teacher help you. So here is the class teacher. She's saying to the students, I am sure you all have a bright future. Future means at a later time, going or likely to happen or exist ahead of you. I wish you all the very best in life. Students, when you go to the new class, the teacher always says kind words. So, these are the kind words which she is saying to the students.
So, these are the students of class 4th B. And what they are saying? Class, thank you, madam.
So, students, let us check the key meanings of this lesson. Limit. To keep something at or below a particular amount or number. Token. Something that is mark or expression of a feeling, an event, etc. Overlimbed. Cause to feel sudden, strong in emotion. Conducted. Organized and performed a particular activity. So students, here is your homework. Prepare a short farewell speech for your teacher. So students, you all have heard n number of speech. So you have to prepare a speech for your class teacher. So students, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.